In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in a PDF using Canva, whether you're linking to a website, a social media page, or even another document. Embedding hyperlinks in your PDF can be a game changer. This is particularly useful if you're creating interactive documents, ebooks, or any resource where you want your readers to easily access additional content with just a click. Let's dive right in and make your PDFs more dynamic and user-friendly. First, let's head over to Canva. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Canva website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but if you're already a user, just log in using your credentials. Now, once you're logged into Canva, look for the Create button on your dashboard and click on it. This will allow you to begin a new project. Next, choose to upload a file by clicking on the Upload option. This allows you to bring in the PDF document that you want to edit. You'll then click on Upload Files to select the appropriate file from your computer. Once you've successfully uploaded the file, locate it in Canva's interface under the Uploads section, and click on it to open it as your working document. At this point, you should see your document on the Canva editor. You might decide to add a new page to your document, especially if you want the hyperlink to direct to a specific section. Just click on Add Page at the bottom of your screen to do this. Once that's set, identify the specific content or text you want to hyperlink. Click on this text or element to highlight it. With your content selected, look towards the toolbar for the More option, which is typically represented by an ellipsis or the word itself. Clicking More will expand additional options. One of these options will be labeled Link. Click on the Link button to open a dialog box where you can insert the URL you wish to link to your chosen text or element. Type or paste the URL of the website you'd like to connect your content to. When you're confident that the link is correct, look for the Done button and click on it to save this hyperlink. Once you've done that, Canva will process the edit and your content will now be hyperlinked. To view the hyperlink, you just need to click on the hyperlinked content in the editor, and it will show you where it's linked, and that's it. You've now successfully added a hyperlink to your PDF in Canva. This feature is a powerful way to add more interactivity to your documents, making them not just readable, but actionable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.